In this video, we're going to be looking at the key of C major. In fact, we're going to be talking about what a key is in general. But C major is probably the easiest key to be learning on any instrument because it contains no sharps or flats. This means that when we look at it on a stave, the key signature has no sharps or no flats. So there's no key signature, and also we have no accidentals on the actual notes. So if you put any note on the stave, that will be in the key of C. So it will either be a C, D, E, F, G, A, or B. This is the same on a piano. All the white notes are in the key of C and contain only those notes. The black notes are the sharps and flats. If we are to play a note outside the key of C, so a G sharp or an A sharp or a B flat, this is called a non-diatonic note. Diatonic notes are notes that are in the key. The diatonic notes on the guitar of C major will look like this. That's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And we can keep going up into the next octave by going C, D, E, F, and G. This covers our whole first position.